We are back with another problem, and today's problem is finding the row with maximum number of ones. Okay, row with maximum number of one. Row with maximum one. Okay, so we will be given a 2D array, and consisting of one and zeros only, where each row is sorted. So we are assuming that we will be given a sorted row, and return the zero-based indexing of the first row that has the most number of ones. So if we have the elements as 0, 1, 1, 1, okay, then 0, 0, 1, 1, then all ones, and then all zeros. Okay, so in this case, if we see the zero based indexing, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So the second row has the highest number of ones. From here you can see. So how we are going to solve this? And we are going to return the index, which is the second row. So we are going to return 2. So it's a very simple problem. First we are going to take the array from the user. After that we are going to check the length of the array, length of the total two-dimensional matrix. After that we are going to check a particular row's length. Okay, and then your rows index, the starting index is -1. Okay, and then we have j equals to m minus 1, which is the we are basically starting from the top right corner. Okay, so the top left and top right is m minus 1. Okay, so this is the top right corner. Okay, and after that j equals to m minus 1. Okay, so we are going to traverse each row. So if you see, we are putting a simple loop to traverse to the loop, and after that whenever we are finding the value as 1, we are decreasing our column index, and our row is updated to that particular cell. Okay, our row is updated, and finally we are returning that row, and also the row column is being decremented. We are checking first where that column is greater than equals to 0. Only then, this is like a while check. After that, whenever we are encountering the index as equals to 1, then we are going to update it accordingly. So this was today's problem statement. If you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to the channel, go and do it, and it is going to help you insanely for your placements. So we are going to submit the solution. So we have successfully completed today's problem statement, and we are looking forward to solve more problems. Thank you.